5 apps that pay you PayPal money directly into your PayPal account. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you a few new apps that you can use to make money online. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end. What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5 apps that you can download and install to your phone for free anytime anywhere in the world, cause they're available worldwide, which means anyone anywhere in the world can download these apps that I'm going to share with you today. To find out all the details, all you have to do is to stay with me up until the end of this video. But first, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the red button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos every week about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, as I said, I'm gonna share with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 5 different free apps that you can download and install to your phone. Get started to earn some fast PayPal with. What you need to do: pay attention, watch the whole video step by step, don't skip on any important information here, make sure you stick till the end, and see how exactly you can get started with this 5 free apps you can download and install and earn PayPal money with. And if you are interested in making full-time life-changing income online, build a sustainable online business, you can click the first link in the description box below for my #1 recommendation when we finish the video here, of course, but for now let's get started. Okay, the first app here today is Clipclaps. If you are a video lover, it is definitely a great app for you to get paid simply by watching videos. The funny videos you get to see in this app can also be found on Facebook or other social media platform. The main difference is that in Clipclaps, you get paid by viewing videos. Payment can be redeemed by PayPal. The best thing is that I like most is that you can request a payment via PayPal once you reach only 10 cents only for the first time. After this first payout, the minimum threshold for the subsequent payout will range from $10, $50 or $6 if you have referred a friend. For these payouts, you will be charged a 25-cent fee. This mobile video app is open to registration for all members worldwide. Let's move on to the next one, that is FeaturePoints. FeaturePoints is user-friendly and has many earning opportunities. It also has an app so you can earn on the go and a very low payout threshold. You can join from all countries. When you first join FeaturePoints, you will in the sign-up process be asked to use a referral code. If you have such a code, it will give you 50 free bonus points right away. You need to get such a referral code from a member to get your free points. I am a member of FeaturePoints myself, and I, therefore, have such a code you are more than welcome to use to get your free bonus. One of the ways you can earn the most on FeaturePoints is by taking paid surveys. It offers a decent amount of surveys, and if you join, this is definitely an earning method you check out. You simply share your opinion about the topic the survey is about, and then you get a reward into your FeaturePoints account for it. Be aware that as with all other survey sites, you will not qualify for all surveys. That is normal, so do not give up if there are surveys you do not qualify for. It happens to everyone. A way you can earn some nice extra cash fairly easily is by downloading apps. Once you are logged into FeaturePoints, you can see the apps you can download. You can, of course, only earn by doing this from your phone or tablet, as it is apps for these devices you can earn to download. This earning method is available on both Android and iOS devices. You can always see before you download an app how much you will earn by doing it. However, you also need to check the exact conditions by clicking the app listing. Alright, let's move on to the next one, and that is Peony Reward app. This app doesn't even need you to answer a ton of questions to make an account. No login, email, or phone number required. You just have to download and open the app. You can earn from watching videos, visiting websites, installing apps. This is a very interesting app that I think you should give a try. If you want to try or download this app, you can click the link in the description box below. Alright, let's move on to the next one, and that is Current Rewards. Current is an app that will allow you to earn by simply listening to music from the app. The logic is, the more you listen, the more you earn. It does also offer other ways to earn. You will be able to earn points by simply listening to any of the radio stations found on the app. When you first log into the app, you will be asked which type of music you listen to. You just have to choose which type of music you are into. This will help the app figure out which radio stations to suggest to you for listening. Before you start listening, you will have to allow the app to display over other apps. This means the app will continue running in the background even if you close it. This is very important because this will allow you to earn points while playing music. When you give permission to the app, what happens is, current will always run in the background. While the music won't be playing, the app will still be running. It will even take over your lock screen. Now, as for the number of points you will earn while listening, they don't explain exactly how their point system works. The points you will earn will depend on your location, how long you stream the music, and the station you listen to. So, it's really difficult to gauge how many points you can earn just by listening to music. So if you are interested in this app, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download this app. So let me give you a final one here also, and that is actually CashZine app. CashZine is an app you can download on your mobile device which you can use to earn money reading news. Not only that, you can get paid to do offers and tasks. Once you have done that, they then claim to pay you cash via PayPal. The app was launched only a few months ago in January 2020. However, despite such a short time active, they already have millions of users. You can sign up to CashZine using your Google or Facebook account. Once you have made an account, as a bonus you will get 8,000 coins. This is the equivalent of 10 cents and is put towards getting your first earnings on the app. The concept of the app is easy to understand. You click on articles and get paid for it. Let me show you how it works though. So once you have signed up, you will be presented with a dashboard, including different categories of news. These topics include hot, fun, health, food, lifestyle, auto, sport. With these tabs, you can go through the category you're most interested in and click on the articles that take your fancy. Once you have found one, it's simple, you start reading. In the bottom left corner, you will see a number of coins plus a timer. This is how much you will get for reading the article. The timer is there to let you know how long to read for before getting credited. You may be thinking that you only need to click on it and just wait for the timer to go down. Well, unfortunately, once you stop scrolling down, so does the timer stop. However, in order to cash out, saying you will need to put in a few hours is an understatement. That is because the minimum threshold for PayPal payments is 500,000 coins. This will get you $5. If you want to try this app, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download CashZine. You can also use this code for bonus coins. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tap the red button to subscribe. If there's something else you want to know, or you have any questions about this apps or would like to share your experience, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from you all. Whatever you do next, I wish you nothing but the best. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.